Dua Lipa is a 26-year-old British singer and songwriter. This multi-award-winning star exploded onto the music scene in 2017 with her single, New Rules, and has enjoyed huge success ever since. She likes a good high-intensity workout, but with such a busy lifestyle, what does she eat to stay healthy? Dua is mindful of her diet. She tries to eat healthy, but doesn't avoid specific foods. She cooks herself whenever her schedule allows, that way she can avoid eating overly processed foods full of potentially harmful ingredients. Her breakfast varies, depending on what she's got planned for the day. If she's going to work out, she will have bananas and cashew butter. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium, fibre, carbohydrates, and vitamin B6. They are one of the best foods for energy, and may help reduce exercise-related muscle cramps and soreness. Cashew butter is one of the best sources of monounsaturated fatty acids, essential amino acids, and magnesium. These nutrients are beneficial for blood pressure, sugar and cholesterol control, bone health, the immune system, and your metabolism. Due to her busy schedule, Dua's lunch is mostly on the go. She'll eat salads or lean, healthy wraps, and meals heavy in vegetables. Like the rest of her meals, Dua tries to keep dinner healthy, avoiding too much sugar. It will be mostly fish with salad, or vegetables. She's a huge fan of traditional Albanian food. It's similar to the Mediterranean diet, and is full of healthy fats, like olive oil and fish, as well as plenty of fresh vegetables. Dua likes to snack on healthy fruits and juices. From time to time, she doesn't stop herself having naughty treats, like pizza, burgers and donuts. She'll just eat them in moderation. This talented young woman knows what she's doing. She's conscious of her health, but isn't too regimental about it. Thank you for watching our video. Have a great day and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.